Hello, so the next question is an electron of mass m with an initial velocity v equals to v naught I, where v naught is greater than 0, enters an electric field E equals to minus E naught I, where E naught is equal to constant which is greater than 0 at t0. If lambda naught is its de Broglie wavelength initially, then its de Broglie wavelength at time t. So like as we know that the final velocity is v, which is equals to v naught e plus e naught by mt at time t. So there is a whole derivation. I'm sure it must be in your textbook. So this is kind of a direct answer, the answer that you should remember it well, which is this. So first we calculate the final velocity at time t, then at time t0 we calculate the de Broglie wavelength, which is h by mv naught, and at time t we assume that the wavelength is lambda, and then we just substitute the value of lambda in the final velocity formula, where lambda equals to h by mv, and the final velocity we calculated that v naught plus e naught by mt. We put that in it, and the final result comes out to be this. So the formula used is lambda equals to h by mv, where v is the final velocity. Thank you.